Dear Ursula, dear Justin, dear colleagues, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for organizing this pledging event. We are appalled by the increasing atrocities, war crimes and crimes against humanity committed by the Russian armed forces in a number of occupied Ukrainian towns. We have to ensure that the perpetrators, as well as the responsible political and military leaders, will be held accountable for a massive violation of human rights and international humanitarian law. Russia should also be held responsible for the cost of humanitarian assistance, reparations, and eventual reconstruction. I am very proud that the European Union responded to the Russian aggression quickly and united. We have never been so decisive in our action and in providing assistance. I commend especially neighboring countries for their unprecedented hospitality and taking care of millions of Ukrainian refugees. Slovenia is also accepting all refugees coming from Ukraine to our country and stands ready to assist further. Slovenia was among first countries in the European Union to donate in-kind assistance to Ukraine. Further on, we have donated more than €1 million of humanitarian aid through international organizations. Today we are pledging an additional almost €1 million through the International Committee of the Red Cross and World Food Programme, and also as an in-kind assistance for Ukrainian refugees in Moldova, Slovakia and Poland. We stand in solidarity with Ukraine. Slava Ukraini! Thank you.